All right. We are back. We are back. We are going to be talking a little bit about indice trade. This is going to be a short video, I think. I don't think I hit that 20-minute limit. Now, some of my videos that I do post on YouTube, when I go over every asset within that asset class, um, it can take as much as 40, 50, or maybe an hour, 60 minutes long. All right, so just breaking down what my strategy is for the cash, the CFD, Nasdaq 100, um, Global Prime. So you see it right there, all right? I really don't. I don't really concern myself too much with what type of asset it is. If that be CFDs, Forex, crypto, stocks, too much. I mean, it's kind of when I trade, it's in the back of my mind, but it's purely I trade from a purely technical standpoint. Um, Little news I watch. I mean, okay. Um, Here's what I do basically. All right, so you have a pattern here, and this is basically going to be failed harmonic video. The other was a harmonic video. This is just what I do. Um, let's see. Let me get. I gotta bring up the palette thing. Okay. All right. So we have this pattern, this crab pattern that formed down here. I'm gonna just highlight it. Sometimes when I change time frames, it'll disappear. You have one here that's like this, and another one up here. There's a Gartley here, and there's a crab. I'll take the larger pattern. Okay, but that'll just include the Gartley. And based on my strategy, which should I use? This is called. See what I mean. Uh, I use a strategy I invented. It's called RSAI strategy. Um, I rotate. Let's see, rotate through a number of indicators that I use for this strategy as a whole. Okay, the foundation is harmonics. Okay, that's my foundation. Uh, just the conventional harmonics. Um, the different ones that I look for. I mean, I trade even those ones that you may not be familiar with. Most people are familiar with butterfly, crab, Gartley, okay, bat pattern, stuff like that. I do trade the strong Henry string. Yeah, string Henry. Yeah, right. Strong Henry. I trade. Oh, never mind the typo. We don't have that much time. The trying to say coal. It's usually spelled with a capital. Peruchik. The I do the three drives pattern. I do trying to think black swan pattern. Scoot my chair up a little closer to the desk here. Um, I do the three bat. I do different swans. It could be the black or white swan. The Trying to think what else. Oh yes, the partisan, the partisan, and like a max butterfly. There's so many. But that's just an example of the double bottom pattern. It's not a harmonic, but double bottom, tops, sort of thing. Okay. Um, so you have this is a run up now. this particular indicator is the Ichimoku. I use another indicator that looks like this. It looks like this, but it's not the Ichimoku. Um, and then I use other indicators which are revealed in my ebook. Now, so this is coming up here. I like to use, which is this right here is the tool, is a fib speed fan resistance fib fib speed fan resistance tool. Fib speed fan, something I think in that order. So grab it right here. It's available to you on the trading view. Um, and for this one, I like to look for the break at the 382. Either the 382 or the 5. 5 is more of a confirmation. This has come back with the 618. 618's here. The 75's there. That's 100. So this is broken back inside and it's trading right along. This market is closed, but it's trading. Is it closed right now? No. Was it? No, it's open. It's trading right along inside here. This is now inside the cloud. I don't buy or sell when a price is inside the cloud. I'm going to watch this. This area along here, I don't know if you guys can see. This area, this part right here, when you're talking about going upwards, the strongest area of resistance is going to be that line. Now, when you're going the other way, when you're going downwards, the strongest is going to be that bottom line. This got slapped a few times. I was going to get into the trade. I did not get into the trade. I decided I would wait. It came here, came back inside. I want to see this come outside of that cloud. What I have noticed is that in the past, okay, with 100%, and you can check this, with 100% probability, when a pattern is left open, in other words, instead of it doing this, and use the arrow as an example, instead of it pretty much doing this after the pattern is formed, much less even identified, but this pattern is then fulfilled, okay? When it's left open and the trend is too strong, this is why you don't trade harmonics and strong trends. The trend was too strong and it did not complete this and then go up. It just went up, okay? Snapped out of its stop loss, went up. This basically, this is another pattern that you can trade. Don't trade that very often because I don't have a target. I don't know. You don't know where the end necessarily is. Sometimes they'll break out here and then come back in and go down. But based on this information I see here, which I didn't see this earlier, this particular pattern, hard to see a little bit. Hold on, if I can get close, I want to get really close. All right, now this is a red over red. Red, I call it red because I'm calling it bearish. It's right above that. Now, typically, when this is above the, whether it's a red or green, but I got to check that. These probabilities change, okay? I have a kind of a table that for that. That means that this pattern is going to fail, okay? And you want to, wait for the breakout, and you can ride that up, okay? Now, if this was either inside, which is very rare, almost never happens. I don't really even talk about those, but extremely rare, extremely rare. Typically, they're going to be on the outside, or they're going to be at the top, or they're going to be at the bottom. If this were here, if the button, I call it the button, the center, if the center were here or lower, this would have been broken through. Even if it was just for a second, it would tap. even if it's just a tap or continue, tap and then go up. Okay. But due to the characteristics of the price action itself, it ended up outside of um, the Ichimoku cloud, and was expected to fail, which it did fail. And that's that. Now, with 100%, and go back to what I was saying earlier, with 100% probability, this area here, this area down to here, well, I could have made a box for that, right? Down to here, okay, will be fulfilled. Now, that's the what in this equation. How do you find out the when? Well, the when comes when you purchase my course, RSAI strategy. Okay. Now you can trade these just as that, just with that information. Okay. I've given you something to help you make money. Okay. But the when, that's tricky. So, all right. So that's it. This kind of ended up turn into a lesson, just an introductory, I guess, lesson. Um, I can say this with this right here. See that beam that's going up? When this beam begins to hit that price, it sucks that price down. When this beam shuts off, then you start to see larger move of the price headed down to this point. And that's all fine. And that's all opened up in the RSAI strategy course. You can find that course here. It's .com, right? I think it is. I don't know, did I write it down? Oh yeah, the last video I made the typo. I didn't put .com. You can visit this site. You can visit tinyurl.com. Same thing. It's supposed to be the same thing. / connect one. All right, that'll take you to my website, and you can visit if you want to visit the. Well, this should be. I should put this on YouTube. Timmy URL, no tiny URL. Okay, HTTPS, / / All right. So you've used the internet enough to know exactly. So that's what that is. All right. So all right, 13 minutes into this. That's it. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. So thank you for uh, taking the time out to see what I've been up to lately. All right, so we're out of here. See you guys on the next lesson, and take care. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Bye bye.